Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Damas again before you. Hope you all are doing well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is my 15 number presentation at Jones English Academy. I am obviously a student at Jones English Academy. Here is my ID card. Badge number is 1011264. Do you know my today's presentation name? Yeah, my today's presentation name is my favorite food. Let it be started. My favorite fruit. My favorite fruit is mango. It is also known as the king of all fruits. It is the fruit of the summer season. It is a very healthy and tasty fruit. It is very juicy fruit. It gives energy to our body. Mango contains vitamins A, C, and D. It is also low in calories. There are types of different types of mangoes. Its color is yellow. It is very sweet and delicious fruit. I like to drink mango milkshake. It has a big seed. I love to eat mango. That's all about my today's presentation. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.